Oh, there we go. All right. Okay, looks like we are live now. Everyone, I'm Dave Basulto. I am the owner of Teaching You with Intelligence. I am a high school media teacher by day, and by night, I am a AI fanatic and dabble in all kinds of stuff. So, one of the things I did over the last week during school, our school break, was I decided to make a fun game that I wanted to make for a while. And I did this all with Claude and Claude Code, and it's a lot of fun. I'm going to test it out tonight. It's called Prompt Royale. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to have prompts battle each other. I'm sorry, we're going to have bots battle each other for supremacy. And we're going to run a league, and the league starts this week on Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific for the first live match. Tonight's just more about testing things over and talking about the build and everything like that. So it's a lot of fun, I think, and going to run it kind of like World Wrestling Federation type thing, and it's going to be fun. So without further ado, let's dive into my little project here. And there is the interface for Prompt Royale. So this is what's fun about this is that we've got on Model A and Model B. So these are the two models that will fight each other. Inside of them, I've got DeepSeek, Gemini, Grok, Llama, Mistral, and Perplexity. And the other side is the same thing, Claude, everything. And then we're going to have different types of stuff that we can do. So we've got debate, which is first and foremost really fun. Creative writing, okay. Coding duel, so both models will try and solve some coding type thing. Example would be build a countdown timer in Python. Talk about geeky, right? And then a startup pitch, so we're going to have startup pitch as well. And then roast battle. And then last but not least down here is just explain things simple terms like a 5-year-old would understand. Okay, so these are things. And then we have a judge down here that is going to be picked from one of the AI models. And then that's it. And we're going to have a prompt down here. So we're going to test this out and make sure everything works well. I do believe in the future I want to have some kind of music playing in the background. I'm new to Streamlabs, which is the software I'm using right now. I found it to be the easiest and most effective to use. I was going to use Ecamm. I'd used it in the past, but it's really different now. And I wanted to do something that was really working more for streaming to YouTube and Twitch. So let's see what happens here. So tonight I'm going to do just ChatGPT. So something else I should say is that all the models have their own voices. So they're going to actually read everything back. I am not doing any of the reading. I am just the commentator here, and we're going to see how it's going. So we're going to see, and some of the models I gave fun voices to because, you know, you'll see why. I'm not going to spoil that away. So tonight I'm just going to, I'm going to use DeepSeek as my judge, and I'm going to do a real simple thing. So explain to a 5-year-old what is let's do something fun. What can we do? I wish there was some more chatting people on here, which will be fun when we get this rolling and you guys can see this and we can start chatting and doing fun stuff. But let's see, what is let's just do this simple. What is artificial intelligence? And I put it to explain to a 5-year-old, and let's see what it does. So at this point now, I'm going to go and say, enter the arena. You should hear nice little things. And it says Prompt Royale, Match 1, Episode 1, Match 3. I've been testing this all day, so. ChatGPT versus Claude. And down here tonight's judge is DeepSeek. So let's take a look at that. And here we are. And what is it? What is artificial intelligence? So let's generate our responses. And now they're both doing their responses in real time. We'll see when they're ready. And both responses are ready now. So we're going to reveal who do you think is going to win. And here is Claude, and here is ChatGPT. So let's hear ChatGPT first.
Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. These processes include learning, the acquisition of information and rules for using the information, reasoning, using rules to reach approximate or definite conclusions, and self-correction. AI can be categorized into several types, including 1. Narrow AI, weak AI. This type is designed to perform a narrow task, such as facial recognition or internet searches. It operates under a limited set of constraints and is the most common form of AI that exists today. 2. General AI, strong AI. This is a type of AI where machines possess the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can. It involves machines' understanding and reasoning in a way akin to human cognitive abilities. 3. Superintelligence, an extension of deep learning. This hypothetical future form of AI surpasses general intelligence and outthinks humans in every field, from science and sports to art and decision-making. AI technologies and applications include machine learning, a subset of AI that involves the development of algorithms that enable machines to learn from and make decisions based on data. Natural language processing, NLP. This enables computers to understand, interpret, and produce human language. Computer vision. This gives machines the capability to see, identify, and process images in the way that human vision does. Robotics. AI-powered robots can perform tasks autonomously in various fields like manufacturing and healthcare. AI is used across multiple industries for myriad applications, such as enhancing customer experiences, driving efficiencies, automating repetitive tasks, and providing predictive insights.
So, okay, that's ChatGPT. I personally think that there's no way a 5-year-old or 5th grader, I forgot what we said, is going to understand any of that. So I'm not really sure why it went so deep. Let's listen to Claude now.
An artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include key capabilities, learning, acquiring information and rules for using it, reasoning, drawing conclusions and solving problems, problem solving, finding solutions to complex challenges, perception, interpreting sensory data, vision, speech, language understanding, processing and generating human language. Common examples: virtual assistants, Siri, Alexa, recommendation systems, Netflix, Spotify, self-driving cars, facial recognition,
Alexa, stop.
and conversational AI, gameplay
Alexa, stop.
programs, chess, Go. Types of AI: narrow AI, specialized for specific tasks, most current AI; general AI, human-level intelligence across all domains, theoretical; superintelligence, surpasses human intelligence, hypothetical. AI systems use various techniques like machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning to recognize patterns in data and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Is there a specific aspect of AI you'd like to know more about?
Now, I do like that Claude asked question at the end. I thought that was good. I still think that it's very, very high end, the answers here. So not sure if that's the way we want that as well. But let's see. I mean, it's working. Everything's working. Let's go to judge the round now. and DeepSeek's deliberating. So let's give it some time. Here we
In
go.
a battle of silicon intellects, ChatGPT takes the crown with a masterclass in structured depth. Claude put up a valiant fight with its punchy presentation, but ChatGPT's comprehensive breakdown and elegant flow proved too much to handle. The victory goes to ChatGPT.
Wow. Okay. So ChatGPT won. I don't particularly agree with that, especially towards this prompt and for what it was supposed to be doing. So whatever. It all works. That's great. Let's go to try another one here. Here's the leaderboard. ChatGPT is up. Let's try the next match here. Let's try Grok versus Perplexity. And we're going to do a roast battle. And ChatGPT is going to be our thing. And what are we going to roast? Let me see. So what's the example they're giving us? Roast people who still use the Internet Explorer. No. So let's see. Roast people who don't know what AI is. Okay, so that's going to be our new thing. Let's try to enter the arena. And here we go. Let's generate our responses and see what we come up with. Who's funnier here? Responses are ready, and here we go. We'll start with Grok.
Oh, bless the hearts of those who don't know what AI is. Y'all are out here living in 1995, thinking AI stands for awesome internet, or some nonsense. Newsflash, Grandpa. It's not a new flavor of Mountain Dew. It's artificial intelligence. The tech that's basically running the world while you're still trying to figure out how to unmute yourself on Zoom. I bet you think Siri is just a really patient friend who lives in your phone. And don't even get me started on those who call it magic or witchcraft. Bro, it's just math and code, not a spell from Hogwarts. Maybe take a break from binge-watching conspiracy theories on YouTube and Google it. Oh wait, you probably think Google is a person too. Keep up, or the robots will outsmart you faster than you can say dial up.
Okay, let's hear what Perplexity has to say.
I don't have specific search results that provide roasts or comebacks targeting people unfamiliar with AI. The search results contain references to artificial ignorance as a humorous concept, but they don't include material designed for roasting people based on their lack of AI knowledge. However, based on the broader context in the search results, artificial ignorance itself is presented as a comedic theme, the idea of pretending not to understand something to avoid tasks. What? You could play on this concept by...
I'm going to stop this because that's really interesting. Perplexity has no idea how to be funny, it seems like. It's like, I don't get how to make a joke about this. Joking that AI ignorance is rather than genuine. I mean, I don't get it. Anyway, let's judge this round and see what it comes up with. I'm going to take a look at doing roast battles. Maybe the prompt needs to be tweaked, or the actual software needs to be tweaked a little bit. But let's see what ChatGPT does with scoring.
Grok charges ahead with a dazzling roast that leaves no stone unturned, embracing humor with razor-sharp precision and style. A perfect storm of comedy and concise commentary, Grok's words are a blitz of hilarity that reigns supreme. Perplexity, while informative, peters in comparison, limping in the witty roast arena. Grok is the unquestionable champion.
I have to agree with that. I think Grok really killed it here. And Perplexity just was left in the dust. So yeah, that's it. Awesome. So I'll just go back to the leaderboard. We can see ChatGPT and Grok are up there now. And we'll go to the next match. And anyway, we're going to do 3 matches a night. Probably, maybe more. I'm thinking about 3. But we might go to 5, depending on how we're doing. And if you guys are watching this, just watching this run through, I plan on having some music, some more interactivity, fun stuff. I'm trying to find a skin for this to make it look better, and just all kinds of things. If you have any thoughts about it, please put stuff in the comments, and I'd love to hear from you guys. I don't believe there's anything in there right now. I'll just refresh the chat really quick. But I think no one knew about this. This was like spur of the moment, so I just wanted to test it out. I appreciate you guys taking a look at it, and I'll see you guys this week on Thursday. I'll be posting a live stream link soon. Okay?